Welcome to our nature reserve. This is Greno Woods in Sheffield. Greno's an ancient woodland, but it's been damaged by decades of timber harvesting, fire and quarrying. In 2012, it was bought by Sheffield and Rotherham Wildlife Trust. Now, with support from organisations like yours, we're working to restore it for wildlife. Using the grant from Biffa award, we've been carrying out interventions across the reserve with a focus on invertebrate conservation. Invertebrates are everywhere. Often small and easily overlooked, they are the unsung heroes of nature conservation. As pollinators, decomposers, pest controllers, or snacks for a passing bird, they are a crucial part of a healthy woodland ecosystem. And this is what we've been doing to help them. Woodland restoration is central to our work at Greno. Where conifers once stood, we're planting oak, silver birch and rowan. Your support has helped care for the saplings, so that one day these young trees will be home to many. However well we care for them, all trees eventually come to the end of their lives. Luckily, for some invertebrates, dead wood is good wood. Lots of insects feast on rotting wood. This project has allowed us to create safe areas of deadwood, providing food and shelter for many species. It's not just the trees in a wood that are important for invertebrates. As part of the project, we've been restoring Greno's ponds, making them watertight and adding flowering pond plants. It's early days, but they have already been discovered by water beetles and are attracting dragonflies. We hope frogs and toads will breed here soon. Open spaces are valuable woodland habitats. Where holly was too dense, this project helped remove it, making space for carpets of woodland flowers. Clearing back scrub and bracken from woodland rides allows them to bloom, attracting a host of pollinating insects. Wood ants also love these sunny spaces and use them to build their nests. This is Mike's field. Full of wildflowers, it's perhaps the most important part of our site for bees and butterflies. Here, your grant has been used to build fences and a cattle corral, getting it ready for grazing. Now every autumn, a small herd of Shetland cows will eat the old grass and fertilise the flowers, helping it to bloom again in spring. Thank you, Biffa Award. Come and visit us sometime and see what your support has helped to create.